harapin ang buhay at kapin ang tagumpay. Tulungan ang kapwa't bigyang halaga.
Humanitarian and Recovery Challenge is just starting. Bayanihan, a well-known Filipino value which means helping and working together, was on full display amid bad weather. The Angat Buhay Foundation, a non-government organization spearheaded by former Vice President and now Naga City Mayor Lenny Robredo, activated its Bayanihan volunteer.
Bawat ako magkasama tayo sa bungin ng kinabukasan. Diyos ang sandat at gabay. Subukan nating isulat